Yeah.
And then when I say, no, let me go, and then you have, and then I have to swim over this.
Wait, whoops. Wait until he gets done. Don't jump. Okay. One, don't, just who is that, Chase?
That's Chase.
Okay, just Chase is going to jump first.
I can wait here.
Yeah.
Don't jump here. You're going to wait there, and it's going to be your turn. Okay, you're going to see if you can swim to the end, and I'll be right here for you. Try to swim.
1, 2, 3.
Come on. Keep going. Keep going. I'm right beside you. Keep going. I'm right beside you. Keep going. Keep going. Yay!
He made it to the end.
You did.
Good job.
Great job. Stay there.